friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to assign triple tap to earbuds to activate voice assistant. So we are testing with Oneplus Buds 3R. You can simply assign this function by using Hey Melody application. Open your Play Store, then download Hey Melody application. Then open that application. You can see here this is the icon. Then after opening the application, give some permissions like locations and Bluetooth. Then your device will be connected. After connecting the device, you will get this kind of page, which device you are using. So here is my OnePlus Nord 3R page. Then you can see here, normally all of the devices have the same pages and same functions. So open earbud control for this one to assign these functions, and you can see here currently I am assigned that triple tap left side buds, and you can simply select from here left or right side and doing with left side. So you can see here I'm selecting the triple tap earbuds on left side. Select that, and you can see here there is functions like none, previous track, next track, voice assistant, and game mode. Simply select voice assistant to activate the voice assistant with triple tap. So that's guys, you can simply activate the voice assistant with triple tap and deactivate with triple tap. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.